please subscribe. Keep on watching. Okay. Today's tutorial is on how I do my slick ponytail. This is actually just yesterday's hair, but you can do this if your hair is 2 days old and you are in a rush and you just need a look put together. See, my hair is kind of straight, but not straight enough to leave down. What you'll be needing is some gel, any kind of gel, a soft bristle brush, a toothbrush, and a regular brush, and of course, a hair tie. Let's get started. I like to start with my hair already in a ponytail, and now I'm applying the gel. Now I'm taking out that same ponytail and starting to part my hair. I like for my part to go to the back and to the side. Now I'm picking my hair up after I got my desired part and putting it in a loose pony. I apply a lot of gel, I don't care. The more the merrier, make it stick. Make sure you get back here so your behind your ears will look slick. I know it looks like, oh, just slobber right now. It will get better. Don't worry, don't worry. Now I'm making sure to go over my hair with that soft bristle brush. Now I'm taking that toothbrush and going over any small parts that are being stubborn. Now I'm brushing through my hair to make sure there's no bumps and pulling my hair as tight as I can to get ready for my actual pony. And there you have it. A slick, sleek pony. If you really want to look put together in a matter of minutes, throw some hoops on. Hoops help everything. Now you look put together. If you were late for school, if you were late for work, this hairdo will save you some time in the morning. It's super quick, it's super fast. It's one of my favorites. And you look real nice and real sophisticated.